Hello there, I'm Sam. I work in Escalon, California at Referral Auto Group, and today I'm going to show you a 2020 Fox Mountain 235 RLS fifth wheel. It is used, it's here on consignment currently, and here's a few specs about it. First off, GVWR is about 12,000 pounds, that's gross vehicle weight rating. Its length is about 28 feet, to be exact, it's 27 feet 10 inches. That usually doesn't include the ladder on the back of the vehicle. Its fresh tank capacity is 59, its black tank capacity is 42 gallons, and then its gray tank capacity is 36 gallons. With that being said, we've been getting a lot of comments about the prices of our vehicles, which are fully displayed on our website, but I'm gonna make sure you have nothing to complain about. Currently being sold for $32,995. If you wanna get in touch with me about consignment, sales, service, doesn't really matter. You can text me, 350-207-7290. The phone I'm currently recording with is on me 24/7. If I'm alive, if I'm awake, if I'm breathing, I'll answer your call or your text or your carrier pigeon if that's what you want to do. Now, with all that nonsense out of the way, why don't I take you on a walk through this vehicle? All right, so to start at the front of this 2020 Fox Mountain, we have a fiberglass side that is a Phylon Luan build. You got a molded front cap for the front of the vehicle. Storage underneath with electric jacks. All you got to do is push a button. They come up and down and you can level them out yourself. You got propane tanks right there in that storage compartment. Right here, you can see fully through the pass-through. Battery kill switch right there. Extra storage on the outside. Look at this. Goes all the way up. Coming around this first and only slide here, you're gonna see that we have frameless windows, and this slide has a slide topper, which means you got extra protection against rain, snow, just wind, pine needles if they fall from trees. Right here is where the 30 amp shoreline cord comes out of. It is 30 amps. Big window in the back with a ladder going up to the top. Bit of a rail around the top too. Spare tire. Diamond plated bumper. Have your white awning here. Kept that thing clean, didn't they? It's been 5 years and it looks great. More ride steps. Your tires are Goodyears and they're 16-inch radial tires. You got your 110 outlet. You got your water heater right there, 6 gallon. Then you got your battery compartment on the front there. That is the outside of the 2020 Fox Mountain. Let's head inside. All right, as we enter, let me fix that pillow real quick. We gotta make sure that first entrance is far better. One more time. Entering into the RV, first thing you're gonna see is this open space. Smaller RV, right? Fifth wheel, 27 feet. So that means that your space is a little bit smaller, but it is much taller than any other travel trailer. I'll give you a reference in a minute. So, right when we enter, we have the couch with some storage above it and around it. Next to that, slide out with your dinette, some storage next to it with the cabinets and drawers, the TV, and then across from there, you have your refrigerator, your stove, your oven, your microwave, your sink, and your countertop, which is, this is a lot of counter space. And this right here is a little storage chute for your trash, meaning that it doesn't have to be out in the world for everybody to smell in here. Look at this. Little extra storage. Teeny bit of storage. For reference, I'm 6'5". Fine, I'm 5'10". This is me in the bedroom area. Step up into the bedroom area, you have your sink, your vanity. Coming over, you have your shower. And then across from that, you have your bathroom. And something to point out here, look at that little makeshift bidet right there. I mean, that's the only thing I would use it for, right? We have a fantastic fan, 1, 2 bathroom and bedroom. And underneath that is your queen size bed, 60 by 80, with some storage underneath. And you have obviously the cabinets on the side, along with this storage area. Bedsides also have plugs for your 110 or USB, okay? So that is Fox Mountain. Let's head outside and close this thing up. A few things to close this out. The month is currently June of 2025. So if you're watching this video in July of 2026, I probably don't have this vehicle anymore. But if you want to ask any questions or reach out to me, 350-207-7290, okay? Remember, it's here in Escalon at Referral Auto Group, and my name is Sam. I also go by Sam I Am. I also go by Hollywood. I also go by whatever you want to call me if you want to buy something from me. So, thanks for watching, and I hope this video was at least a little bit helpful, if not entertaining. Hoochie daddy legs, a little bit, all right? Just call me Andy Elliott. So, if you liked this video and you want to see more of me just walking around acting like I know what I'm doing, feel free to like and subscribe to Referral Auto Group. Love you. Bye.